Okay, hello everyone. So now in this new GetResponse website building tutorial series, I'll touch on how you can create or edit the contact page. Okay, so again, log into your GetResponse website builder, select the website that you want to edit. Then on the right, you can see that there's an icon over here, Manage Pages. Click on it and click on the contact label, and it will bring you to the contact form page. Okay, so over here they already have this default header. So what you can do is that you can put in contact me. So I'm going to change the title to contact me, and for the description, as I don't have any description for this page, I can just delete this section. So click on this remove. Okay, to remove it. And on the right, you can see that there's a contact form by default already created for you. And on the left, it's more for your business to put in your business address and your contact information. But if you do not have this information, you can just delete them. Okay, so no worry about that. You can just delete this information over here. And what you can do is that you can add in something over here. So you can add in an image, for example. If let's say I want to have an image on the left, I just drag over and put it here. And I can select an image that can be relevant to contact form. Let's say support. I type in support and it will show me some of the relevant picture. Okay, so just for this tutorial example, I'll just put in an image. Okay, so to show you that it can be done. Okay, so once it's shown, you can just reduce the size of the picture and again delete those unnecessary wording. Okay, so this is the image over here. Okay, as for the right hand side, you can see that once you click on this box over here, which is called the contact form, click on it and you can change the name of this contact form. You can just put down, for me, I'll put down the site title, KDP tips, contact form. Okay, so this is the name of this contact form. If you click on the fields, you can change the requirement for this name. So do you want your visitor, is it compulsory to fill in that name? If yes, just leave this as required. For email, you can't change it. Email is always a required field. For phone, I will just put it to not required. For message, it will be also required. Okay. And the second section over here is success view, which means that once your visitor enter the message and click the button, do you want to redirect them to another page? Or what message do you want to show them? I can just put in your message has been sent. Okay. So you can put in a customized message over here. As for the third option, design, you can click on the button. And currently the button text is call to action. So you may want to change it to send. So when people click on the button here, it will send the information. So there are other options here. You can change it if you want to. Okay, then click back. Remember to save also. Okay, as of the time of recording, currently GetResponse does not have any option for you to add in more fields. So this is just a basic contact form for your website visitor to contact you by means of messages. Okay, and once people submit this contact form, you can check the message inside your GetResponse account under chat. Okay, so let me show you how you can get to this place. Once you are in your GetResponse dashboard, you just go to Tools, Go to tools. Under tools, there's a chat option. So click on chat. And once you click on chat, your messages will appear here. Okay. People who use your contact form, the message will appear here. And there's also one setting that I need to let you know is that when you go to settings and scroll down, click on notification over here, enable this email notification, which means that whenever people send you a message known as chat, they will also email you. So make sure that this turn on so that you will get notified. Okay, unless you check your this active chats every day in GetResponse. If not, I would highly suggest you to enable these settings under notification, email notification. Okay, so I hope that you find this video useful for editing the contact us page in your GetResponse website. I'll see you in the next few GetResponse tutorial series. Thank you.